Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take screenshot on Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my PowerPoint presentation, and before you take screenshot on your Microsoft PowerPoint, you need to prepare the screen you want to screenshot. For example, I'm going to screenshot my Spotify. So here I open my Spotify application, and then we can go back to the Microsoft PowerPoint and then go to the record menu, and here you need to choose screenshot, and this is the available window or the windows I have opened on my computer. I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the screenshot of the Spotify has been added to my PowerPoint presentation. That's so easy, right? Make sure you have opened the screen or the page or window you want to take screenshot of. Okay guys, so that's all the way to take screenshot on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!